How to fix Slack cannot add workflow. To fix the Slack cannot add workflow error, first of all verify that your workspace is on a paid plan, as the native workflow builder feature is completely disabled on the free version of the Slack. You must use the paid plan. And even after the paid plan, if the workflow builder option is still missing or grayed out, you simply have to check the admission permission restrictions. Workspace owners can restrict the workflow creation to maintain the security. And click your workspace name in the top left, then go to the Tools and Workflow Builder. If it is missing or blocked, your Slack administrator has set permissions to admissions only or admins only. Contact your IT help desk or Slack administrator to grant request. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.